on the word.
Okay.
Yeah. So now your turn. You try to enumerate any type. You make a sentence.
Do you provide any kind of words or we make self?
Okay. No. Here is a one word. Enumerate.
Where? Okay.
Yeah, some words. Yeah, some words are already pasted in the chart. You can
Okay,
go back
okay,
to the
okay.
chart. You can see the vocabulary words. Yeah. By using these
Okay.
vocabulary words, we need to frame a sentence. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Then
By using inaugurate, we started saying a sentence. Inaugurate. You need to say one sentence. Okay.
okay. Yesterday, government inaugurated a project.
Yes. Very good. You said a sentence instantly. Very good.
Yeah. Well efforts.
Installment.
Okay. Installment.
Bank.
Yeah, I have paid my college first installment today. Yeah.
Okay. Yesterday I collect my first installment from Talent Hunt company. Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
collect, collected. If you use
collect,
yesterday, then you
Yesterday.
take second form. Yesterday I
sorry.
collected this type of, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Because second form means past
Simple
indefinite
past. Yeah.
always takes second form. Collect is a first verb, second verb collected,
Yes.
third verb collected, and fourth means present continuous collecting. Okay, you remember while using. If you use yesterday, you have to use second form. What you want to take it. Bank always take installment if someone takes loan from bank. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So another word is a submit. Okay.
I will submit my project tomorrow.
No, this is a submit. Spelling you can see.
Like
Yeah.
Sorry.
बैठक.
Submit is different. Yeah, spelling submit. See, not submit.
शिखर सम्मेलन होता है ना, उसमें बैठक होता है, बहुत सारे लोग ज्वाइंट होते हैं, उसमें अपना अपना पक्ष रखते हैं.
ओ क्या है? ये सबमिट नहीं है?
नहीं. Nowadays government is conducting a SEO summit. Yesterday Indian government conduct a SEO summit.
SEO summit.
Yeah. The G8 summit will address the important international issues. Yeah, we can say in that way.
Okay, you let me know about it. We cannot pronounce summit.
Summit. Yeah, summit. Okay.
Yeah, summit. SUMMIT. Yeah, summit.
We pronounce summit.
Yes.
Summit.
Yeah, summit.
Summit.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Summit means those type of writing is a different, pronounce is a different. We cannot tell SUBMIT. I cannot tell it. I tell SUMMIT. Summit.
Okay.
Then okay, I will tell learner spoke about summit for awareness campaign. Is it? Is it not correct?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat again? Sorry.
I told learner spoke about summit for awareness campaign.
Yeah, also nice. It's a really nicely.
Enforcement.
Okay. Hello, Peter Guard. Okay. CB. Now your turn.
Yes. So the sentence is college will be organized summit for the examination, for the
Hmm.
exam. Is it correct?
College will be submit for the examination.
No, no. No. College will be organized summit for the examination. Or which I should say, I think I should add college will be organized summit for the annual function.
Hmm.
Is it correct? I'm not sure about it. It's correct
Yeah, I'm
sentence.
not also not because I am not know. Maybe it's a correct.
Yeah.
You are
I-
better
I-
than me, so you know very
you
well.
you write, then it is a better to correct.
Mm-hmm.
If we write, then it is a better to correct.
Okay, ma'am. ठीक है.
If we
So
speak
another
also
word,
and write also. Enforcement.
Yeah.
enforcement. Yeah, enforcement. You know, ma'am, this word is new for me.
Hmm?
Enforcement means प्रवर्तन. Okay,
Enforcement or
प्रवर्तन.
enforcement? What? Enforcement.
And for me,
N, not
enforcement.
this is
I
the
think
in, E and
inform.
in. N, I don't know how can I pronounce this word. I'm
You
confused
Enform.
now.
I think enforcement. I think we should pronounce
enforcement,
this
not
word enforce.
enforcement. Enforcement.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, and because here is e, so we should pronounce and, right?
Learner, you
Enforcement.
listen. Learner, you listen. We have
okay.
26 alphabets, but vowel makes 22 sounds, and
Hmm.
rest 21 alphabets makes 20 sound, and 42, we have a 42 sound in English. Then
Hmm.
e, if you pronounce a b c d e, that is a single letter e, but it makes any words we call a. Egg, egg.
Oh,
Egg, egg, not egg. That is a egg, right?
okay.
Then you focus also pronunciation alphabet. Alphabet has 5 words: A E I O, A E I O
You.
U, but it makes
Hmm.
22 sound.
Oh,
We call A, but A makes one word: APPLE. We call apple, not apple, apple.
okay.
Yeah. Then it is a enforcement, not enforcement. Enforcement.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
So we can make. Hello, here is an Hanata. Okay, hi. Hinata. Oh, sorry, Hanata, not Hinata. Okay. Hi, Hinata. Hello?
Then go ahead.
To meet you all. Hello.
Speak, you speak. We are listening.
Yeah, I'm new here. I'm new here.
Are you speak?
Okay. So I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a student. Yeah, I'm here to improve my
Okay.
fluency.
But
Yeah.
your logo is different. It indicates in foreign country. Your logo indicates you
Yeah,
as
yeah,
a
yeah.
foreigner.
Yeah, yeah. Because
Hmm?
yeah, yeah. It's another account. It's yeah.
How many accounts do you have in HelloTalk?
It's like two.
Okay, is it your Hinta and different one?
Hinata. Yeah. It's the second account.
Okay, and
Then
first
my
one?
friend added this account.
Very
It's a
good.
Surya.
Because you consider yourself you are a foreigner. That is a good thing, positive vibes. Because you want to speak like a native speaker, right?
Um, Not like that, but it refers the same meaning. Hinata and Surya, the meaning is same. It's in Japan, and that logo, UK logo, it's mistakenly tapped, and yeah, it happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you staying in Hyderabad or still are you in different country?
Yeah, I'm right now in a different town.
Okay, which place? Within India or outside of India?
Yeah, within India.
Within India. Okay. What's your native language?
It's Telugu. It's Telugu.
Telugu. Okay. Then are you learning language? English?
No, I'm just improving, like fluency improve.
Okay, you want to enhance your fluency. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Then do you talk with anyone regularly here?
Yeah. But I use other application frequently. I just came here to what happened. Yeah.
Okay, which application do you use?
It's a tandem.
Pardon?
Tandem.
Tandem. Is it a speaking application?
It's a language exchange platform.
Okay,
They have like 300 plus languages. You can learn multiple languages without any VIP or any premium.
okay,
Yeah.
that is also free
So
platform.
yeah, it's a free platform. It's so good, better than this Hello Talk.
Oh,
I
really?
use the most. Yeah,
Spelling? Tandem
I
spelling?
don't this. You can't find it in Play Store. It's a waste of time. You must use the VPN or you must install in this App Store. So from that you can.
Okay, but you write in this group that platform, maybe spelling or
Yeah, definitely,
yeah,
definitely.
because we are also language
After
learner.
this, yeah, definitely. If yeah, after this call, I'll message you. Yeah,
Okay, definitely.
maybe I'm the new one, so I hesitate to
Okay,
message
T
in the group.
and D and tandem, right?
Not
I
tandem,
saw in a
it's
Google.
tandem.
Tandem.
Yeah,
It's
That's
English
why.
speaking. Okay.
it's not
Tandem.
the chat.
T and D
Just
M tandem. Okay, got
bro,
it. I got it.
do one thing. Just message me. I'll share the user interface of that application. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
It's there is a two applications. You may like confuse what's the correct one, what's the wrong application.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why I
Uh,
told you write on group
if
we can
you
install.
if Mhm.
Yeah, we can install and we practice there.
Okay, do one thing. I hesitate to message in group because I'm the new one. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
just message me personally. I'll send you the photo. But the thing is, they ask for five messages, and I have to send the five messages. After that, we'll able to send the link or photo or some other things. Yeah.
Are I cannot open your profile. What happened?
Ah,
I don't know. Yeah.
go to settings.
Okay.
Let me see that. and there is a group members in that.
Hmm.
Just tap on that and you will find me like Hinata. Just type the inside Hinata.
Okay.
Yeah, wait. Sorry, what's your name here? Like, I'll share. I'll try to
Speak with me. It is my name.
speak. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me find.
You
Sounds
send
equal to.
you send me message.
What?
You send me message. I will check it.
Wait. Let me search you. Where will it see? Speak with me. Oh, Hestika Dawn.
Hmm.
Sorry. So you are the owner here?
Which owner? अरे ऐसे लिख दी HT का डॉन.
Okay. No. Okay. I just message you like just message me five messages. After that, I'm actually going there, but I'm curious to know what's happening here. That's why I'm came here. Install that and reach out to me, and I'll give you the information about everything.
Yeah, I will
I'm
send
already
you.
posting there.
Hmm.
Just message the random five messages so that I can send you the actual application. Without that, we can't actually send a photo. It's the rule, I think. I don't know, but I can't send definitely. Mm. By the way, where are you from? Like, are you from North India? Are you from South India?
No.
Are you from
I am
Northeast
from
or are you from Western?
east part. East part.
East part? Is it Odisha or Kolkata or
Odisha.
Assam?
Odisha.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How many messages? Three messages. Oh, you already sent me five.
Hmm.
Let me see. Then able to send you. Wait. Where is my index? Index, I can do NDEM. Yeah, this was the application I'm sending. Wait.
Okay. We focus in. We disconnect the call. Okay.
Wait. Just wait. I have to send this application first, and then you will disconnect, and I'll help you out. Well, it's very complex thing to install. You only have two methods. Like, if you can't install from Play Store, you have to use VPN, or you can actually do the simple thing. You have to install the Indus App Store from India, and